Hello friends and hello fellow jewelry lovers. Welcome to a haul slash jewelry sale preview. So these items and more will be available at my weekly jewelry sale. This week it is tomorrow, Wednesday the 23rd. The sale goes live at 6 p.m. Eastern, 5 Central, and 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I have 50 items in the sale, and it's all a buy it now sale, so you will claim the item in the comments of the video. I just want to mention that because there are some new people to my channel. Okay guys, so these items were all items that I purchased online and at a local thrift store. I am super excited about these. I've got some vintage, I have some Danecraft, more natural stones, sterling silver. I've kind of got it all today, and I'm super excited to show these items to you. There may or may not be something I'm keeping. We shall see how that goes. Okay, so without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I want to show you these first. These are incredible. These are all glass. They're stretch bracelets, and they're faceted, as you can see. I'm in love with this mustard yellow. So I got two of them. I got two different sizes because I thought for sure I'm not the only one, right? And then I got blue and orange. I have been in love with orange lately. So these are all brand new artisan made stretch. Then this is so cool. I haven't had a chance to test it yet, but it kind of looks like it could be sterling. These are all vintage buttons that somebody made into a bracelet. There is one button on here that I want so badly. Well, I love that Roadrunner. That is incredible. There's a Greek one on here. Here it is. I need that in my life. Maybe it's Roman. I don't know, but it looks like Pegasus to me, or a Griffin. Yeah, I need that. So this is incredible. Somebody just made this out of amazing vintage buttons, and that is amazing. I did not bring my black light down here, but of course I'll have it at the sale tomorrow. Then these are garnet. These are incredible as well. Oops, sorry about that, guys. They are garnet, and they have these amazing brass beads there at the bottom. Really, really pretty. These are wonderful. I love them. Then this necklace is turquoise and glass. It is absolutely beautiful. I got this one online. I love it. I have been picking up more and more glass for you guys. You love it and I love it. And I love this combination. It is just gorgeous. Then next to that, I believe this is glass as well. I'm going to have to double check it. Of course, it is cold to the touch. Yeah, it's got to be glass. Looks kind of like crackle glass in certain light there, but it's wonderful. This is a long necklace, hand knotted, just beautiful. Then this one is a gorgeous satin glass. Can you tell I was in kind of a bluish green mood? Also hand knotted. This one is super long. It is really pretty. This color is just amazing. There you go. I'm filming this later than I normally do, so the sun's going down. I apologize. It's a little bit dark in here. Then I got this. I just thought it was cool. A lot of us love our brass and copper. So this is a long necklace, kind of like a steampunky pendant to me. Maybe just boho. But I thought that was super cool. Then this is abalone and mother of pearl. This necklace is beautiful. I love the reds. There are some glass beads on this as well. It is just stunning. Trying to get it to show in the light. Look at this, y'all. It is absolutely beautiful. I love this so much. Gorgeous piece. Gorgeous. So then we're going to move on to some brooches. I got some really cool brooches. I haven't had time to research any of these, so I don't know. This is not marked, but I thought this was so cool with the stars. It's kind of like a military style brooch. Reminds me of the 80s perhaps. And I've got two pewter brooches back here. I'm gonna have a hard time selling these. This moon is incredible. It is signed by the artist here. Well, Bra Rock? Bria, maybe? Not quite sure. I thought it said Rick when I saw it at the store, but it is amazing. And then look at this lion. He is also pewter. He's incredible. Look at all the detail. Oh, I love him. Then I got this little pin, this beautiful little bird pin, little stick pin. So cute. Don't think it's marked. I couldn't resist this little turtle with this amber colored prong set stone there. Isn't he wonderful? He doesn't have a marking. This is Dane Craft. So this was a really good find, y'all. Another lion, sheep, and a dove. Oh, and a bunny. Isn't this cool? I love it. There is the Dane Craft marking there on the back. Again, I haven't looked anything up, so I don't know any comps or anything on that. Then look at this tri-metal manatee brooch. So you've got brass, silver tone, or maybe it's pewter and copper. No marking on that. It's incredible. Then look at this metal and enamel brooch. This is stunning. Look at these beautiful orange flowers. The enameling is great on this. A really beautiful vintage piece. And then I saw this. I just thought it was so cute. This dog and cat. Of course, the dog is trying to lick the kitty and be buddies, and this cat wants nothing to do with this dog. That's how it is here. I'm sure it's that way for everyone. Then this I got knowing that I need to repair this little stone right there. I do have it. It was sent with this piece, but this is beautiful. Look at the milk glass and the black. Here is the back. It is incredible. And the best part is it comes with these matching clips. I love this little set. It is really well made. It's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. Okay, then back here, this is kind of a coppery, brassy tone. It's just marked patent pending, but it's kind of an adjustable little bracelet. And I like it. Kind of 80-ish. 80s reminds me of the 80s. Words are hard. Kind of brutalist too. Not quite sure. Then I haven't looked this up, but I thought these earrings were super cool. I love this design. These hoops are awesome. They're new old stock. These are as well pierced earrings. I remember buying things like this in the store. So you've got gold tone with the silver. Just so cool. And then I have to double check my cloisonne because I don't know if I have owl earrings. If I do, these are going to go up for sale. They're adorable. You don't see cloisonne owls all that often. Then over here, this is a wonderful vintage bracelet. This is gold plated and it's incredible. It's got a little safety hook there or clasp there on the side. It's wonderful condition. It's beautiful. I love this so much. Okay, then over here, I've got 3 pieces of sterling. The first is this beautiful marcasite pendant. It is on a sterling brooch. It is 925. A sterling brooch, a sterling chain. I need sleep badly. Can you tell? Then this stone, I don't remember. It kind of looks like jade. What do y'all think? I love that it's wrapped. This one is sterling as well on a box chain. Then this one is a gorgeous lariat style. And I've got to kind of twist this around. I tried to. Oh, it's marked on the back. Marked 925 there on the back. But it's adjustable, so you can move this little bar up and down. And you've got these beautiful stones down here. This is very Asian inspired, and I love it. Guys, this necklace is absolutely amazing. I don't know for sure what stone that is. Gosh, am I seeing labradorite? Do you see that up top? Could just be the gold reflecting, but this is beautiful. It also has stones here on the side. And look at this chain. Oh, this chain is so good. This is artisan made and it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, then the last piece for this haul slash preview is this beautiful stone necklace. Look at this. I love that it is wrapped with blue. And I do believe this is sesame jasper. Isn't it incredible? It's beautiful. I love it. And this is kind of like a prayer necklace. So, you know, there's different ways you can wear it. You can tie this end if you want to. You can wear it like a lariat or a rope as well. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. So, as usual, let me know what your favorite item is. I hope everyone is doing okay. I have had a crazy week. I cannot believe this is my first video of the week. I do want to let you guys know I will be invoicing on Thursday. That will be for my Saturday sale, for the sale yesterday on Angie's channel, and then for the jewelry sale. I will not be having a Saturday sale this week. It is the big Highway 80 week here, so I plan on doing that all weekend. Any of you that were around last year when I went, I found so many amazing, wonderful vintage treasures. So I really need to go on Saturday, guys. That's usually the best day. So no Saturday sale. I will be having a jewelry sale on Monday though. I hope you're all having a wonderful week. I miss you guys. I feel like I haven't been live enough. Haven't put up enough videos. It was 94 here today. I hope it's cooler where you are. And thank you, as always, for all of your support. I forgot to show you this amazing brass unicorn ring. Have you ever? No, I haven't. There might be a little bit of wear on this, but I could not leave that behind. He's incredible. Okay, I don't think I forgot anything else. But yes, let me know what your favorite item is. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.